Making friends with plural indefinite pronouns. Mastering agreement in English. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into a special topic that often puzzles English learners: agreement with plural indefinite pronouns. So buckle up as we unravel the mystery of these unique pronouns and how to use them correctly. First, let's understand what plural indefinite pronouns are. They're a subset of indefinite pronouns, which refer to non-specific people or things. The word indefinite comes from the fact that these pronouns do not refer to a definite, specific person, place, or thing. However, not all indefinite pronouns follow the same rule for verb agreement. Some of them are always plural, meaning they always take a plural verb. Examples of these plural indefinite pronouns include several, few, both, and many. Example: many are attending the concert. In this sentence, the word many is a plural indefinite pronoun and it agrees with the plural verb are. One of the main reasons learners find this topic challenging is because English can sometimes be tricky with its rules. But once you understand these rules, everything starts to fall into place. For plural indefinite pronouns, the agreement is straightforward. They always take a plural verb. This is because they're referring to more than one unspecified entity. Let's look at some examples. Several were left without seats. Both are correct. In both sentences, the plural indefinite pronouns, several, and both, agree with the plural verbs, were, and are. Let's do a quick exercise to apply what we've learned. Remember, practice makes perfect. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb form. 1. Few, blank, knows, know, the truth about the incident. 2. Both, blank, wants, want, to go on a trip. 3. Many, blank, has, have, arrived for the meeting. Can you figure out the answers? Let's see. 1. Few know the truth about the incident. 2. Both want to go on a trip. 3. Many have arrived for the meeting. See how the plural indefinite pronouns, few, both, and many, all take the plural verb forms, know, want, and have. Well, that wraps up our video for today. Remember, understanding and mastering agreement with plural indefinite pronouns is a crucial step in achieving fluency in English. I hope this video made this topic clear and interesting for you. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll master the art of using plural indefinite pronouns with the correct verb agreement. Until our next lesson, happy learning!